going to be talking about getting into real estate. How can JMMB support persons, whether through a REIT? Because I know there are REITs there. Let's talk about the REITs first. For the persons who are saying, boy, I'm going to really have the full money yet to buy a property, they can start with the REITs. What are the different REITs that JMMB has?
All right. So we offer, so for your audience, everybody would know that a REIT is a real estate investment trust. And we actually have two such funds that we offer within our JMMB fund management program. Both give pretty attractive returns. So absolutely, your audience can start their investment journey with us, and we'll recommend what absolutely suits them, and they'll be able to see the kind of gains over the time horizon that they have in mind.
So
Once you've hit your target, of course, Keisha, you will go on
yes.
to remind them that we also provide mortgages. So
Ah,
if
so
you find that you have a shortfall, we're able to assist you there as well.
so with the strategy then we like focusing on what to do. So you're saying, all right, start with the REITs. So come into a branch,
Yes.
talk and ask for one of the JMMB REITs. Say, hey, I was watching Money Classroom last night. I learned
Mm-hmm.
about REITs. I want to invest in a REIT. They're gonna
Yep.
then show you the different ones available, right?
Right.
And then you put your money in there. And the important thing with REITs is what? Is it I put my money one time, I just leave it and just come back
No,
3 years
so
time and look what happened? What should I do?
you're setting up the answer. So we do want our clients to be consistent with whatever investment plan you're on. You want to be consistent on that. And as you said in your goals for tonight, you want to have your goal in mind and be very disciplined and diligent around how you fund your goal and go after your target. So because we're talking about your end goal being owning your own home, clearly you have a figure in mind as to what that sum you would need to have, and that will allow you now to set what is my investment goal, where do I need to get to in order to be able to start the process of owning my home, and we can help you with that as well.
Right. So great thing with JMB, we have a QR code that I'm gonna bring up on screen now, because if you say, yeah, all right, Owen, thank you for that, I am ready to get my mortgage going, you can fill out this contact form. We send the information directly for you to JMMB to say hook up or peeps, hook up our
Oh
Money
yes.
Classroom students to make sure that they can implement what they just learned. So that QR code is on screen now. Put up your phone, click it, fill out the form so that we can connect you with someone to start talking about your mortgage. Because this year is the money year. We need to be making sure that we implement.